Welcome back, sharp minds. Today we are diving into question 24. It is a composite functional equation problem which looks like it requires heavy polynomial division or messy variable expansion to solve for fx explicitly. But before we start, a small correction. In the previous video, I confidently declared that we had reached the grand finale of the functions chapter in JEE Main 2026. Turns out I missed one question. So that wasn't the finale. This is the actual finale. The true last question from JEE Main 2026. And fittingly, it's a beautiful composite function problem that rewards smart thinking over lengthy calculations. So let's finish this chapter properly. Here we have been given three statements already and we want to find the exact numerical value of fg2.
Hey thinkers, welcome back to Think Sharp Alley, where every turn leads to a smart solution.
Let's analyze the composite equation. Here the right hand side of this composite equation is a quadratic polynomial. So it's having degree 2. And the outer function, which is g over here, is already a quadratic polynomial, again degree 2. So for this composite function g fx to maintain a degree of exactly 2, the inner function fx must be a linear polynomial. Okay, you don't have to believe me. Let me give a reason. If fx were quadratic, let's say fx equal to x square. So squaring it inside gx, which means if I find g of fx, I substitute x square in place of x. So we get 3x square whole square plus 2x square minus 3. And this would create a degree 4 expression, which does not match our right hand side. Therefore, we can explicitly define fx as a standard linear function where fx equal to ax plus b. Notice we are given a pristine initial boundary condition f0 equal to minus 3. So we substitute x equal to 0 directly into our linear definition and we get b equal to minus 3. So our inner function simplifies directly to ax minus 3. So let's keep this aside and let's try to find the value of a. We substitute our expression for fx back into the outer quadratic function g. We have gx equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 3. If I substitute x by fx, meaning ax minus 3, we get this. We multiply by 4 on both sides and expand ax minus 3 whole square to get this and then simplify it a bit to get this expression. Comparing it with the one given in the question, let's check the linear terms x on both sides. We have minus 64a on left hand side and minus 32 on the right hand side. So we get a equal to 32 by 64, which gives us 1 by 2. Thus we have completely mapped the function fx. But the problem asks for fg2. So we resolve this from the inside out. We have gx equal to this. We put 2 in place of x to find out g2. And that is 13. So fg2 is basically f13. So let's substitute 13 in the function fx. And we get half into 13 minus 3, which simplifies to 7 by 2. Thus, so the correct choice for this question is option C, 7 by 2. One more JEE main question decoded. If you are following the series, keep going. And make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a daily drop. And I'll see you tomorrow for question 25.